Hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video. Be back at it. I'm filming out on my iPhone today because I don't have the camera on me, but it's all good. It looks good too. And actually, I kind of messed with this camera. It's pretty good. So y'all can see I'm all scruffy. I can't afford a haircut because I'm not monetized. So y'all better like, comment, subscribe on this video. We're trying to get monetized for you guys. We're about to hit 700 subs. Pretty close to it. Need to hit that 1,000 to get monetized. So come on, guys. Please share the video for us. We really appreciate it. But all right, let's get started. So today, what we're gonna be doing, or what I'm gonna be doing, is installing some new tail lights on my 350Z. I have an 05, so it's a DE, if y'all didn't know. And the 05s and below came with these lights, which they look pretty cool. But the 06 and up came with the LEDs from factory. So this is kind of like an OEM plus upgrade. You can see I bought them over here. I picked them up pretty cheap locally. These look way nicer. Like let me show you how these look when they're on, and then I'll show you how the other ones look. All right, so there you have it. These are the stock ones. That's how they look when they're on. It's kind of hard to tell during the daylight. Yeah. All right. Give me all a little comparison so when I'm done with the install, you can see. All right, but let's get started. All right, well, first thing you do, obviously you open your trunk. You take these three little plastic tabs off. I'll do right now. There should be 3 bolts under here. And the light should pop off. I think those are the only bolts, but I'll show y'all right now. You'll get some tools and I'll be right back. All right, so you just go to these little tabs. There's a little thing right there to pop them off. Oh, my bad, I didn't show you. So pretend this is on, and you just go underneath right here, and you just pry it up. And these bolts are 10mm bolts. So you just, all right, so I decided before I take them off, let me just show you how they look in the dark. So that's how this stock ones look in the dark. You know, look pretty good. But the other ones look way better. But all right, I'll show y'all the other ones once I get them on. But yeah, so this is how it looks underneath. Once you take these 3 bolts out, it should just pry off. And honestly, every video that I've seen, one of the tabs always breaks off, so don't really worry about it. As long as you don't break these ones, then you should be fine. But so you just connect this one and this one right here, and then you connect the new one. You disconnect this real quick, and then I'll show you how to connect the new one. All right, so I just connected the new one, and look at the difference. Like, these ones just look so much nicer overall, honestly. Like, compared to this one looks kind of like old and outdated, but these are the little LEDs. Oh, they look really nice. Let me show you on the light how that one looks. Oh, it just looks way better. And so when you connect these, hold on, let me get it off again. I'll show you all the connectors. All right, so when y'all go to connect these new HR lights, head tail lights, make sure, if you guys buy them used, it comes with this, with all that stuff in it. Because if it doesn't come with that, then I don't think you'll be able to. I don't know if you have to wire it in or something. But it's a plug and play. You just connect one of your connectors, and the other one you just leave out. You don't connect it anymore. But yeah, that's about it. So you just bring it, put it back on, and then put the 3 bolts, and that's basically about it. I'll show y'all once both of them are on and stuff. But yeah, let me put it all back together, and I'll get back to you guys. And there you go. It's all put back together now. That's how they look. I think they look amazing. At night, I think is when you appreciate them more, honestly. But at least to me, I feel like at night you appreciate the lights a little more. But there it is, guys. I know this was a quick and short one, but I mean, even right there, I think it looks really good. But anyways, personal preference, I guess. But it wasn't too bad of a upgrade if you just find someone partying out a New York 350Z, you can probably find them for pretty cheap. I picked mine up. I got a good deal on mine. I got both of them for 60 bucks, which is a smoking deal. Usually they're like 100, 150, what I've seen. But yeah, that's it on the install, guys. Let us know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more of the 350, more of the STI, more of the Miata. I know y'all want to see more of the Eclipse. We're working on a video right now, so just stay tuned for that, please. We just got to give us some time. It's hard. We all have normal, we all have normal jobs, so it's not like this is what we do. So it just takes a while to get everybody together. But yeah, that's about it. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay super. No, I'm joking. Don't start saying that. But all right, peace.